Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I have brought a new updates regarding faculty recruitment in one of the best institute of India, or you can say best university of India. It's situated in Punjab. Before starting, I request you all please like, share, and subscribe the channel. So there is a recruitment of faculty going on in Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology. They are inviting application for the three categories. First one is for professor, then associate professor, and then assistant professor from teaching, research, and industry stream. For the following academic units, you can see the branches which can apply here, that is computer, civil, electrical and instrumentation, electronics and communication, physics and material science, biotechnology, chemical, chemistry and biochemistry, energy and environment, community and social sciences, mathematics, management, mechanical, liberal arts. The last date here to apply is 1st of March 2021. Now we are going to see here you can see it's there is ranking given, rank 29th in engineering category in NIRF ranking, 31st in university category, 51st in overall category, and awarded A plus grade by NAC. Means you can see it's ranked university it's ranked in top 100, not top 100, within top 50 it has ranking. So now we are going to see what are the eligibility and other things. Regarding eligibility, we are going to see what are the qualifications they are needed. Here you can see this is the recruitment and promotion policy, and these are the objectives which you have to follow. Means if you are selected here, then these all are the objectives you have to do. And regarding experience shortlisting, they are shortlisting based on your post PhD experience or total experience, how many publication you have, on that you will be considered, how many PhD students you have guided, how many projects you have handled, and how many patents you have. These all are the basic criteria which will be considered during shortlisting. These are the basic qualification required and experience. It's not possible to discuss all the things. You can I will upload the link in description box. From there you can see all. Yeah, or you can take the screenshot from this video. These are the experience. I think I will discuss one at least. This is for category professor. If you have experience of 10 years of teaching experience, of which 9 years post PhD experience, and at least 5 years as an associate professor, or 10 years of teaching experience, of which 8 year post PhD experience, and at least 5 years as an associate professor, and 3 additional SCI publication. Second, at least 15 SCI publication with at least 5 SCI since last promotion. Second one, or 12 SCI publication and total impact factor greater than 20, which at least 5 SCI since last promotion. Next one, 2 PhD guided, and fourth one R&D project you have handled which had a budget of more than 10 lakhs. Others R&D projects cannot be compensated with additional SCI papers. Okay. So these are all the basic qualification requirement which you have to fulfill regarding applying during applying. If you not possess any of this, then you can't apply here, and your application will not be considered. These are the qualification required for assistant and professor grade 3. They have provided salary of 1,10,000. The criteria: 2 years experience as assistant professor grade 2, 3 SCI publication since associate professor grade 2. Third, at least one R&D proposal submitted for grant since assistant professor grade 2, no external mode. And second, 2 years experience as assistant professor grade 2, 4 ACI publications since assistant professor grade 2, at least one R&D proposal submitted for grant since assistant professor grade 2. Here it's also given if you have 5 Scopus paper, then it will be considered as one SCI paper. These all are the requirements for assistant professor grade 2, and these are the requirement for assistant professor grade 1. Other things also you have to see, but here it can't be possible to discuss all the things. So these all are the requirements, and how will you get promotion and other things. These all things also it has provided here. This is for management, LMS Thapara School of Management and the School of Humanity and Social Sciences. For professors, they have other requirement. For associate professor, other requirement. Assistant professor grade 3, grade 2 and grade 1, they have other requirement, a special requirement which we have to fulfill regarding during applying. Next we are going to see how we apply here. So for applying, there is a link given, click here to apply. Here you can also see the salary structure of here, TI this one. These are the basic salary structure you will be provided here. For professor 1,75,000, associate professor 1,50,000, assistant professor grade 3 1,10,000, assistant professor grade 2 92,000. For grade 1 they will be provided 78,000, and for lecturer contractual 71,500 consolidated. And these are all the minimum annual compensation you will be provided regarding if you are purchasing any machines or regarding research you need something. So minimum these all are the requirements you will be provided. Other things also you will be given here, like children education allowance, leave travel concession, gratuity, PF and leave encashment, annual performance incentive schemes. There is also reservation for TIET admission for maximum of 2 children and a spouse of the employee under TIET employee quota, with entitlement for a scholarship equivalent to 100% of tuition fee and development fee. Support for participation in the international conferences. You also be given opportunity to collaborate and pursue postdoc fellowship in top ranked international university. You will also be provided laptops or computer here. So these all are the extra benefits you will be given here. So it's a good opportunity to apply if you have PhD and something you have experience 2-3 years, then you have good opportunity. So if you have liked the videos, please share it with other friends also, and please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.